Brief about yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Gurijala Srinivasla Karthik, and I completed my graduation in Chennai, Wales University of Science and Technologies, and with in the stream of CSC with 75 percentage. And I have a personal achievements on cricket, and I have achieved in during my graduation year. I have awarded for backend backend programming.
Okay, fine. So, how much you rate yourself on core Java?
6 or 7. Sir.
6. Okay, fine. So, what are the OOPS concepts? Just a name.
Whose option name, sir?
OOPS concepts.
Object-oriented programming.
What are those concepts?
Class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation.
Okay. So, what is polymorphism?
Polymorphism means many. It can be performed in multiple ways.
Okay.
Overloading and overriding will be there.
Okay, what is overloading?
Overloading means we have to show the differences in the methods. In parentheses, we have to show the differences in
Only parentheses?
parentheses.
Suppose if I write a method name is different.
Same method name, sir. Same methods. We have to show difference in the parentheses.
Parameters.
Parameters.
Not parentheses.
Parameters.
Okay.
Overriding means same class, but
Same class.
like same, not same class. In overriding same class, we have to write methods, sir. In overriding means different classes, but we have to extend that. So that is overriding differences.
Okay. So, in overriding, okay, can I write? Suppose in parent class I have method m1. There are only one parameter. In child class I have same m1 method but two parameters.
It's a overloading, sir.
Can we call it as overloading?
Yes, sir.
But you mentioned overloading has to be happen in a single class within the class. But this is in different between the classes, right?
Yes, sir.
Can we call it as overloading?
Yes, sir. We can.
No, we can't. Overloading should be within the class.
Okay. Yes, sir. Overloading.
Overriding should be between the
Between the
classes. What is typecasting? The upcasting and downcasting.
Child object with reference to parent object with reference to child class
Is called
upcasting. We extend the properties from parent class, sir. Child. We can't in upcasting means own methods can't able to define for child class. Remaining parent properties are will come.
okay. So I have a class employee.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I have defined like this. So what is the default value for this E?
Default value.
What is the default value for objects?
Objects.
No? Okay, fine. So what is the superclass for all the classes in Java?
Objects.
Object class. Okay, fine. So what is JDBC?
We have to tell the structure or we have to tell the structure, sir.
JDBC. What is JDBC?
Java database connectivity, sir.
Okay.
From user interface to it will validate for the controller, sir. It will give the controller and from
Okay, that's fine. But so what are the different selectors in JavaScript?
validation.
Selectors, not validations. No?
Selectors, sir.
Selector means I have a text box, okay, and the HTML. I need to get the value in the JavaScript. How you get the value?
Anchor text, like
What is the
forms.
use of anchor tag?
For another page we can
Yeah, but
give the
what
link.
I asked about reading the value inside JavaScript. There is a text box on the form.
Yes, sir.
There is some value. I need to get the value in the JavaScript. How can I get the value? The JavaScript. Okay, so
By functions.
no function. Anyway, you have to write the
Write the
function. Without
functions,
function, you cannot write the
forms.
code, right? So inside the function, what is the statements you will be writing to get the value? No?
Yes, sir. Follow.
Do you know document.get element by ID?
Yes, sir. Document or get
It is one way. Get element by ID, element by tag name, by classes. Okay. So what are the different ways of writing the JavaScript code?
different ways of writing the JavaScript.
That means where you are writing. Suppose you will be writing inside a script, right, within the same. So can I write in a separate file?
Yes, sir, you can write in the
You can write. So if I write in a separate file, how can you
import.
import here in the HTML?
It is different packages or same
Why packages come
packages
into
or
picture in the JavaScript?
JavaScript.
Okay, so I have written some JavaScript in a 1.js file. Okay, so I need to use this file in my HTML. How can I load this particular JS file? Okay, fine. What is MVC?
MVC, sir. Model view control.
Okay,